What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And first of all guys, Merry Christmas to all of you, and I wish you only the best. And on today's video I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin higher. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we had a very good bounce from this support line, and it was a double bottom pattern. And on the video before my last video I've told you that your main accumulation points might be around these levels of support. And technically, if you follow my channel, your average price might be at around 50 cents, and you might be up to our current price for about 29%. And on my previous video I've told you that we can accumulate the position on these levels of 0.382, it is a 52.19 cents, then 51.4 cents, and so on and so forth. And technically, as you can see, we didn't hit these ranges. This means you couldn't enter your position at these ranges. So it is what it is. Next potential entry point might be if you know how to play the breakout pattern. And as you can see, we broke this pattern right here with the huge volume. And from this point, if you are risky enough and you know how to manage these patterns, you might be up for about 16%. So, and I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's switch to the total sentiment for entire crypto market. For now we are sitting at $2.37 trillion of total market cap. It is a 4.15% increase over the last day, and as you can see, during last 24 hours Bitcoin and Ethereum and Binance coin are slightly down, but on a 7 days period they have a decent upside movements. So, and let's continue with the crypto.com coin. For now it has a $16.23 billion of total market cap. It's up for about 6.21%, and the total tradable volume is $697.78 million. It's up for about 71.44%. And I have to say that this increase in volume is very meaningful, because we have to have with our trend movement the higher volume than we had previously. And for now we have this volume, and let me show you right here. As you can see, we have huge volume with this movement, and this is a very good sign. So let's continue with the recent news. On December 24th we have this article on cryptoglobe.com, and it's titled "CRO price jumps after crypto.com reveals it's set to run a Super Bowl ad." And I covered this news on my previous video, but let me remind you that the price of CRO token, the native cryptocurrency of the crypto.com and Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain Kronos, has jumped nearly 14% after it was revealed crypto.com is set to run an ad in the 2022 Super Bowl in a bid to become a household name. And I have to say that, in my opinion, it is not the only reason why we have this massive increase in price, but definitely it is one of them. And let me quote you this. According to Crypto.com's Chief Marketing Officer Steven Kalifowitz, the company's strategy is to show it is now just a passing trend and that it can be trusted. Kalifowitz was quoted saying, "There's a lot of people saying crypto is a fad, just the way they said the internet was a fad. Crypto is really the basis of the next version of the internet." And I agree with this statement. But let me show you another news that was the major catalyst of the recent price action. And first of all, I want to pay attention on this one. Arena naming rights does not make crypto.com coin a buy. And right here in this article, the main idea of this article that we have already gained all the profits with this renaming of Staples Arena, but in my opinion it is not the case. Let me show you this. If you type into the Google search bar crypto.com arena, you will find a lot of news about this, And let me show you that we have multiple news from the news media that are not related to the crypto world. And right here we can find the ESPN, the Athletic, Los Angeles Times, again ESPN, NBC Sports, and so on and so forth. And I have to say that because of these different newsmakers that are covering this news for now, we have much higher exposure on a broader audience. And this means a lot of people, in my opinion, will start to pay their attention to this news. And I have to say that the idea is brilliant to rename the Staples Center to Crypto.com Arena, because you don't need even to Google the exact web address. All you need to do is type into the search bar crypto.com, and you will find their official website. And right here you can find even a Matt Damon, and it is an extremely powerful advertisement that a lot of famous people are in this play. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, congratulations to all of you who follow my channel and who took these trades. And I have to say that it is not the end of this movement, and let me show you why I think so. If I make a quick breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, potentially we might have this is our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, we have to have the bottom of our fourth wave, and next wave to the upside to form our fifth wave. If it is the case, and let's switch to 15 or 30 minutes time frame, we have to make a breakdown of these movements, because we have to realize that we are on the right path. So in my opinion, we have something like this. This is our first wave of the third wave. This is our second. This entire movement is the third one, third internal wave, fourth, and yes, 5 wave we have in our fifth wave. So I have to downgrade this scale. And we finished all 5 waves inside the third wave. And right here you can see that the volume is much higher than we had previously, and the internal volume on this wave is much higher than we have even on the fifth wave. This means we have this as our internal third wave, fourth, fifth, and we finished all 5 waves, and this means we formed entire third wave. In this case, we have to pull, let me clean the chart a little bit, we don't need unnecessary tools. And for now, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom of the third wave to the very top. And we have following levels where we might land. First of all, the level of 0.32, and we already hit it and have a good bounce, very good bounce from this range. Next one might be, as usual, 0.5 at the price point of 60.53 cents, and the golden pocket. It is the range in between 58.2 cents and 58.7 cents, and I have to say that this range is most probable range of trend reversal. And if you want to enter the position to catch the fifth wave, we have to accumulate our position only when the asset moves down. And keep in mind that we have to have simple zigzag structure in our correction wave, and this means we have to have something like this. And these ranges might be your best accumulation points if you want to enter this trade. So I think I will do another update in order to stay in line with this price action, but let me remind you the major targets that we have for now, and these targets are following. First of all, we have to land at $1.12 price point. It is a 0.786 Fibonacci extension in the fifth wave on the greater scale. Next one might be $1.3 price point, and the most aggressive is $1.8. And from our current price, we might have about 181% to our most aggressive target, but from the range where we had the accumulation points, we might be up for more than 261%. So very good risk to reward ratio, and I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!